Hello guys, so you are welcome to Tech Me More, and then this is a new channel, so a sub to the channel will be very much appreciated. So today I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually partition your hard drive without formatting. So as you can see, I have on the drive C I have 903 gigabyte of free storage. So if you want to partition your drive C without formatting, just right click on this PC, okay, and go to manage. Okay, so guys, this is a new channel, so a sub to the channel will be very much appreciated. It will really help me to do more. So after it has opened, just go to the disk management. Okay, click on it to open, and then you locate the drive C, which is this one. Okay, and you right click on the drive C. Go ahead and right click on the drive C and you click on the shrink. Okay, so we want to partition, so we want to split it. So click on the shrink, it will load, and in no time it should be open like this. So when you come here you are going to type in the size that you want to partition, you want to shrink. Okay, so I'll go ahead and type 500,000, which I think is equivalent to almost 500 gig. Yeah, so go ahead and type in, I'm going to type in 500,000. Yes, 500,000. And then after that you can type in any amount that you want. Okay, it could be just any size that you want to partition. Okay, for this tutorial I'll just type in 500,000. So I'll go ahead, after that I'll go ahead and type and click on the shrink to partition my drive. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll click on the shrink and it should load a little bit, and then there you have the unallocated. So it was equivalent to 488 gigabyte. Yeah, almost close to 500 gigabyte. So after you're done, right click on it and click on the new sample volume, and this wizard should appear. Click on the next, and here you can change the size if you want, but we will keep it like that. So go to next, and also this one you can change the letter, the drive letter, but we'll keep it at E. So click on next, and here you should leave everything as it is, but you can only change the label. So I'll go ahead and type in backup. So this one is going to be our backup drive that we will save our files and everything. So I'll just name it backup and click next and click finish. And guys, so that's how simple you can actually partition your hard drive without formatting. So now if you go to file manager right now, you see that we have our backup drive here separately from the drive C. So if you look at the drive C capacity now is 415 gigabyte, and if you look at the backup we did, it's almost we split it almost into two. Yeah, that's really good, so that you can have a space for your other files without messing them up with the drive C. So but in case if you want to reverse whatever that we've done, you can just come back to the disk management, right click on the drive that we just created and delete it. Okay, so we're going to delete the backup drive, but make sure that you don't have anything on it. Okay, so after you delete it, we just go to the drive C. Okay, we go to the drive C, not this one, the drive C. We right click on the drive C again, and we go to extend volume. Yeah, so we click on extend volume and we click on next, and now you should reverse whatever that we did. So now if you take a look at the drive C, it's back to its original size again. And if you go to the file manager right now, if you go to the file manager, you see that the backup drive is gone. So that's how you can also reverse it in case you made a mistake during the partition drive. You can do this to reverse it back to the drive C, and then you can start it all over again. So now I'm going to do it again so that you guys can get it well. So what you should do, let me close everything so I can start everything afresh for you guys to see in case you didn't get it well. So just right click on if you open your drives, the file manager, go to this PC and right click on it and click on device manager to take you here. Then you click on disk management, okay, and you locate your drive C or any drive that you want to partition. Right click on it and click on shrink volume, okay, and wait for it to open. And as you remember, we type in the size that you want to partition. So I'll also go ahead and type in the 500,000 again, which I think is representing around almost 500 gigs. After that, you click on next, and after that it should appear here as unallocated. Yeah, this one. So right click on it, okay, and then click on new sample volume. You go to next. You can change the label by leave it at E, and then you can also change the name here, which will also go with backup. Yeah, click on next and click on finish, and now we are done. Okay, so now if you go to the file manager again, you will see your backup drive here. So if somebody asks me what is the essence of doing this actually will help you to actually save your files and documents separately from the drive C, so that you don't mess them with the Windows file on the drive C. So now you get your separate drive for your data and files, everything. So that's the essence of creating a partition. I think this one is very helpful. So guys, this is it. This is how to create a partition with that formatting, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.